Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable 5G in iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. Before going to the video, we have to make sure two things. Number 1, your device is supported to 5G. Number 2, the network provider that you are using SIM card, it also allow you to 5G options, mean 5G data. If both of clear, mean both are supported to 5G, then move to some solutions. Launch settings, then tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. If you're using any beta profile, remove the beta profile and back to the stable version of iOS. Then also under general, we have to tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. Here we are going to do one more thing. Enable airplane mode, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. After the force restart, go back to settings and disable airplane mode. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.